In today's fast-changing world, organizations seeking professionals can make the organization future-ready. Organizations laying off traditional managers and looking for leaders equipped with new-age digital strategies. As a senior leader, your ability to drive digital transformation can define your organizations and your future. So if you still have not trained yourself for the future-ready skills set, then do it now. The IIM Trichy Executive Program in Strategic Digital Transformation for Leaders, offered with UpTop Careers, equips leaders to navigate the digital era confidently. Over 8 comprehensive modules you'll master: emerging digital trends, shaping industries, data-driven decision-making for strategic advantage, transforming businesses with digital technologies, managing innovation, products, and technical challenges, leading structural changes that make transformation sustainable. Learn directly from IIM Trichy faculty, apply real-world frameworks, and gain the tools to lead high-impact digital initiatives. This program ensures you stay ahead, not just in knowledge, but in action, influence, and leadership. Admissions are now open. Transform your leadership, drive change. Apply today at uptopcareers.com and lead your organization into the digital future.